Salamat kay Lord. Thank you Lord nga nagbahon na. Thank you Lord. The GI sheet is already bending. It has been bended, the four sides. So these are the bevels. These are the bevels. About 2 inches wide. If you look at it sideways, that would be about 4 inches wide. Look at it horizontally from top to bottom, that's around 2 inches wide. Thank you Lord. Thank you Kid Marjon and Roland. Nasugba man ang puntas ang nasugba ang puntas sa kalaptan sang ano ni hammer or martilyo. So that is our friend and welder and contractor and builder, Mr. Marjon Saison, only 30 years old but already a professional, very skilled and experienced. Pila edad mo pagsugod mo, John? 18 years old. Wow. 12 anyos na ba? And our friend Roland Casiano. Roland Casiano. Basi parintihan ay kamo ni Mitch Casiano.